Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. New recipes every Monday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Today we're going to cook chicken noodles.
We will be using a top ramen chicken noodles.
Let's get into the video.
We will take around 150 grams of boneless chicken and have diced it into small pieces. We will add 1 packet of the seasoning, mix it and marinate it for 30 minutes. I've added 2 glasses of water to a pan. Allow it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add 2 blocks of instant noodles from the packet. Cook the noodles for 2 minutes. Once the noodles is cooked, drain the water and set the cooked noodles aside. Take a pan and add some oil. Once the oil is warm, add the marinated chicken and fry it. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oil and set it aside. We will add 2 beaten eggs to the same oil which we fried the chicken. Scramble the egg. Add the chicken and mix it. Add 1 packet of the seasoning and add half a glass of water. Mix it well. Allow it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the cooked noodles and mix it so that the masala and the chicken blends with the noodles. Once the water is drained, turn off the stove and add some spring onions. The chicken noodles is ready.
Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.